What's up, guys? How's it going, everybody? My name is Blitzwinger, and ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a brand new LEGO Customs video. Today, we're going to go on ahead and add to our X-Men character library in LEGO DC Supervillains. Now, I know what you're saying, Blitz. What the heck are you talking about? I don't remember us building any X-Men characters to begin with. Well, first of all, it means you missed our live stream edition of customizing characters. And in addition to that, of course, I wanted to go on ahead and actually show you the character that we started with. I think when you think of the X-Men, at least for me, I really do think of this character as kind of the main one. And I know that technically he wasn't even part of the original X-Men team. So yes, you could make the argument that characters that you could select, like Cyclops and Beast and several others, Archangel even, that were ahead of him. But I would make the argument that he should still fit into the X-Men library. And I would say that honestly, he is probably the most famous of the X-Men characters. So with that in mind, of course, as you can see, we have already completed Wolverine before, and I think he turned out really cool. In fact, I would probably venture to say that this might very well be, if not the best custom we've ever done, it's definitely up there. And today we're going to add to that roster of characters, and the goal is to try to go on ahead and build 12 different X-Men characters. So if you guys can leave suggestions for X-Men specific characters, whether it be I don't know, let's say Storm or Nightcrawler, like whatever characters you guys come up with, let me know down in the comment section below. I do want to also clarify that we are most likely going to go on ahead and build the Jim Lee X-Men, because again, having grown up on like the X-Men cartoon and things like that, I think that that's, in my opinion, the best version of the X-Men. So that's why we're going to go with that particular variation. So with that in mind, let's get to work. And today we need to put together a Cyclops. He's going to be the next character that we are working on. So let's adjust a few things here about the character. We're just going to go on ahead and begin by adjusting. Whoops. Okay, why is it all caps? Cyclops. There we go. So we've got the name all adjusted and fixed up. Then we need to go to personality. We'll probably just make him cool, maybe? I don't know. What pose works for Cyclops? I think it's just normal. There we go. Because Cyclops is one of those weird characters where, honestly, I've never met any one person who says that Cyclops is their favorite X-Men character. So if you are one of those people, let me know in the comment section below. I'm curious. I genuinely am. To find out if there is such a thing as a Cyclops fan. Or I guess more importantly, not just a Cyclops fan, but Cyclops being your favorite character. And that's kind of the distinct variation there. Okay, so I think we'll go with the brighter yellow costume here, because I think that would look a little bit cooler. Okay, so for the most part, a lot of the costumes should be pretty straightforward. There's really not much to it. The most difficult aspects are going to be obviously the visor, as well as the X logo that he has on the chest, like the torso part. So that'll be probably quite tough. But outside of that, I really don't see anything else being particularly difficult with this design. So we'll see. Of course, as we get to building, I'm sure that if something comes up, I will point it out, and I'm sure that it... Okay, well, there's our first problem. So, as I'm like about to rant about how easy this build is going to be. So the problem is that his hip piece is supposed to be yellow. And the problem is that it doesn't seem like it's going to give us any of those hip pieces except for this one. It's so odd. Seriously, I know I've said this plenty of times before, but it really is bizarre to me as to why they don't allow you to change the hips to certain colors. Like for some reason, for whatever reason, I don't know why, it just does not permit you to change certain color swaps. It would be interesting to find out. Maybe it's like some sort of a technical issue. I guess maybe that one is the most accurate. The booster gold piece probably should work plenty well here. So for the leg piece. So the legs are supposed to be blue and then yellow boots. That's kind of the main element. But if we can, we want to try to find like... I guess, I don't know what you'd call them, like pouches on kind of the side of the leg. So that could actually work, honestly. It's not a perfect rendition of his costume, but that could actually work. So you could possibly use the Red Tornado design if you'd like. Let's see what else we could come up with here. Just trying to see if there's anything that would look a bit more accurate. That kind of works, but it really is more gold than it is yellow, and we want the boot design to actually be properly yellow. This kind of works too, but again, it's more gold than it is yellow for the design. I wonder what recolors on this. That's actually kind of a cool look too. Kind of works as well with the different striped lines on the outfit for the character. So I guess in theory you could also go this route and kind of go that way. That's a possibility as well. And then if you want, you could simplify things quite a bit by just simply going with this design, which is what we're going to go with, because I think it's going to look the cleanest at the end of the day. It's going to be kind of a more of a minimalistic approach to the character design. Now, for the hairstyle, I honestly don't even know which hairstyle you want to go with here. This is genuinely just up to you guys. You can go so many different routes here. You could, obviously, if you'd like, you could go with like a styled haircut. You could go long hair, short hair, just whatever it is you guys think is kind of the right look for Cyclops. I think that this will work quite well, hopefully. So, for the face, the key element that we need just a regular generic face, and then we need the visor. And so that can work, definitely. I think that that's a possibility here. Let's see. I'd like to see if there's any other visor sort of look. I wonder what this would look like recolored into red. That, again, if you'd like, you could probably go with that look as well. There's that visor, which does not work. I'd say that this is probably the most accurate of the bunch. The only thing I'm realizing is, I just realized, because he doesn't just have the visor. That's the problem here, is that he does have the face mask as well. So I'm almost thinking, no, that won't work. Okay, let's take a look around. Maybe Booster Gold could kind of work. So this could work. The problem with it is that the visor is not red. So that kind of sucks. If the visor could have been recolored, that would have been pretty awesome. But let's scroll through. Maybe there's another character that has a red visor. I'm trying to think of any DC characters that have a red visor, and I can't really think of any one specifically. Maybe if the katana design has... No, it doesn't. I thought maybe if it had two recolors, it could have worked, but it does not. Let's scroll through here. No. No. I was thinking for a second, I was like, maybe this one? I guess if you wanted to, maybe in theory, you could kind of go with like an unmasked look for... Or maybe like an evil Cyclops. You could do that. That's a possibility there. So that is... We need... Basically what we would need is we would need this face... But then also the ability to add the visor onto that preset would be so awesome. But unfortunately, it doesn't give you that option. And I don't think that there are any faces in here. Well, actually... Let's see. Dude! We did it. We did it, guys. We knocked it out of the park. We got a very, very, very cool looking design so far. Now is the most difficult aspect, and that's the torso piece. So for the torso piece, we can go several different routes. I guess first and foremost, if we wanted to go just the custom route, it would be pretty much maybe like a belt design, sort of like that, and then the yellow belt. So that would sort of be it. And again, I honestly don't even think that that's a particularly terrible look for the character. So if you wanted to go that route, you can do so. But I feel like it's a little bit oversimplified. I guess let's see. Is there any other way that we could add some more detail to the design and make it look decent? I don't know. I guess in theory, you could possibly maybe use that and kind of give him the X logo there. But it doesn't really look all that great. It looks a little bit... off as far as the design is concerned. So let's see the preset torsos and see if there's anything we could find here that kind of could possibly work for our rendition of Cyclops. So ideally, we want something that's going to be mostly blue, but has a little bit of yellow detail on it. That would be wonderful if we could do that. That's not a bad take right there, honestly. That sort of can work. That's a pretty decent take on a Jim Lee-esque Cyclops. So that could work. In fact, that's probably the best one we've seen so far. Let's see. Wonder what this looks like recolored. Not great. Let's see. So again, the key here is to basically look for something that would have like yellow details. Almost. Whoops. Like the Red Robin costume here. Wowzers. Okay. That is pretty darn accurate. That could definitely work. I think that the Red Robin costume here works a bit better than the other costume that we tried before. That doesn't look all that great, unfortunately. Basically, anything that I see that has like a yellow detail on it, we will at least attempt to see what it looks like. I think that looks pretty cool, too. So that's a bit more of a minimalistic look, but I really do think that that looks pretty neat, too. And I guess we could test out this one, but I don't see that one. Yeah, doesn't look all that great. And I think that's pretty much that as far as all the looks are concerned. Again, I guess maybe we could test out. Yeah, that looks a little bit too plain. Okay, so we have two different routes that we can go, in my opinion, as far as the two best options. So first of all, we could go with the Johnny Quick torso. I think that looks pretty cool. Or the alternative was the Red Robin suit, which is this one. I think this one's a bit more accurate because it has the little RR in the corner, which almost looks like the X-Men logo there. I know it doesn't almost at all, but hey, we got to go with it. Plus, it has the cool pouch design that Cyclops was known for. So, the one last thing that we obviously have to include here, it's not even like an option, is to go on ahead and give him the beam attack. Let's see. That has to look like a laser, sort of. I think maybe that one should work pretty well. It's got to be red. And then the beam origin, you just change that to eyes. And, okay, actually, now the beam does not look all that great, to be honest. Looks a little bit like too thin. Nope. I guess we'll go with that. So, with that in mind, ladies and gentlemen, we have now added another X-Men to our custom roster. Let's go on ahead and take a look at the completed character here in just one moment. Let me know what you guys think, by the way, down in the comment section below of the design. Plus, like I said, whatever other next X-Men character you think we should go on ahead and build. Now that we've completed the design for Cyclops and added him to the LEGO DC Supervillains roster, we've got this really cool laser blast, which works super duper well. And now, if we bring up Wolverine, who is right here, and look how cool that is. Seriously, we are slowly but surely putting together the X-Men. So with that in mind, ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you guys think of the design that we managed to go on ahead and come up with here today for the one and only Cyclops. And in addition to that, let me know what character we should build next. Have an absolutely fantastic day, guys. I'll see you all later, alligators. Bye-bye, everyone.